So what's up my people, it's your boy Zubiking here once again. On today's video I want to make a live withdrawal from the update I shared about a week ago about this wordotc.com. So in today's video I want to make a live withdrawal on it. Yes, this is a live withdrawal on it because I would have loved to leave it to reach $30 here. I promise you guys that I'm gonna when you guys will see this video next, that means it's gonna be $100 trade. Yeah, but something came up. I have to use my USDT for that update that I'm gonna share it to you guys later. So that's why I continue with my $20, and I've been lagging behind on this project, but I tried as much as I can to reach this 29 USDT. So that means within a week I've made 9 USDT on this thing. So I'm gonna place withdrawal. As you can see, remember that my recharge record, I only recharged 20 USDT on this particular project. Look at it, 20 USDT. Now I'm getting 9 USDT for doing absolutely nothing. I don't even do this thing much. Remember how I told you guys how I normally run the updates, but nowadays I'm too stuck online and offline, so I don't normally run the updates well, as in I normally miss my alarm. So but let me just click on withdraw for me to know how long it takes for the withdrawal, and for me to also know if the withdrawal is there, because I found out that most of my viewers, most of my subscribers, they didn't really. As you can see, I have 20 people that registered under me, but they have deposited nothing. They are afraid, but that this might not be legit, as ZB King have not withdrawn from it and this and that. So let me try and withdraw so that I will show you guys that the thing is. Let me try and withdraw so that I will show you guys whether it's legit or not. So if I click on this where say withdraw now, they're gonna tell me that the handling fee is gonna be 3% of whatever I want to withdraw. So let me press the withdrawal amount. Let me press 29 USDT, which I'm gonna be getting 28.13. So if I say let me withdraw all 29.16, I'm getting 28.28 USDT. So let me go over to my Google verification code to Google authenticator code to get the verification code. I'm gonna get you back to you guys. So I've gotten it, and if I click on this presence now that says submit, it's gonna load and tell me that now my withdrawal is successful. So let me go back to know as you can see now I'm now having 0.0049 USDT on my account. So let me click on withdrawal record to know status withdrawal successful. As you can see now that my withdrawal is successful. Let me go back to my Binance account to know if this 29.16 USDT was sent directly to my wallet. So as you can see now on my dashboard, you can see that 28.2852 USDT was sent to my Binance account swiftly. Check the time that I made the withdrawal and check the time that it's landed. It didn't even take up to 3 minutes for it to land, as you can see. So that means wordotc is real and it's paying good, and everything about it is very sweet. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to run wordotc for those of you that have not started wordotc. I'm gonna show you guys the do's and don'ts and how to earn so much on it and what to do to earn from wordotc and everything in between. So if you love what I say in this video, kindly hit the like button. I need it. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to this channel for the first time, and then sit down and watch at this magic and how to earn so much from wordotc. So as for now, let's jump into the video. But before we jump in, bear it in mind that ZB King is not in any way a financial advisor. Be sure to do your own research whenever you are doing anything whenever you're doing anything, make money online. So if you are good with me, let's roll. So as you can see now, World OTC is real. So as for now, before doing anything, I want to recharge my account now with 50 USDT in a live recharging. So be with me. Let me go and recharge it and come back immediately. So now I've done recharging. As you can see, my recharge record. Now I have recharged 50 USDT just like I told you guys, because I love it when something is going perfectly well. And if you want to join World OTC, make sure you join it now and deposit and start making your trade. Remember that the minimum recharge is 10 USDT and it's gonna be TRC 20. So when you recharge below 10 USDT, you are gonna lose your phone. Bear it in mind. So minimum recharge is 10 USDT, just like I told you guys. And now let's go to the main deal. If you click on this phrase that said transaction now, you will see that this is a trading platform where their AI machine trade for you, from something like Binance to Orbit, anywhere that the crypto is kind of they have different prices. What we do is to buy from lower platform and sell in a higher platform, and then you and the platform is going to share the gain. So they are using your own capital to make the trade, while you are using their website, their platform, to make the trade also. So this is a win-win thing. So if I click on this phrase now that say all, it depends on the amount that you want to trade with. Minimum trade is also 10 USDT, so be that one that in mind. But me, I normally like to trade all. So if I click on this phrase that says start filter now, AI machine will start making research, and now we are trading with Doge. Transaction price is 0.06 USDT, which is the price of Doge. So if I click on this place now that says start trading, it's going to trade for me and trade for me. And now, as you can see on my dashboard, now I now got 0.50 $50.20. So if I click on this place now that says confirm, it's gonna, as you can see now, that $50.20 is now there. And by the end of the day, after 3 hours, my reward, which is around that 40 cents, is gonna be deposited on my account. So what next am I gonna going to do? Next thing I'm going to do now is to go over to this place now and click on my clock and then set alarm. Now the time is, as you can see, I missed this alarm due to I was so weak and I couldn't meet up with the 11 a.m. So, but that's not an issue. So next thing I have to do now is to click on this place now and set my alarm at 3 hours time. So now we are in 4:56. What I need to do is to count 3 hours: 5:56, 66, and 7:66, 56. So in 7:56, my alarm is gonna ring, and I'm gonna go and place another trade, and I will be getting the same amount. So let me go back to here. As you can see, I've set my alarm already. So and in next 3 hours now, my alarm is gonna ring, and I'm gonna come here back here. This my balance here is gonna reflect here, including my gain. As you can see, they say that the balance is gonna reflect with my gain here also. So once it reflects with my gain here also, all I need to do is just click and place another trade again. It depending on the amount you have. I normally place my trade all, because at the end of the day, it's gonna still give me the same amount of money. So I don't know why you guys don't have to start this update now. So I've used my 50 USDT. Minimum investment is 10 USDT. Now, how to earn more from this thing is very simple. The only thing you need to do now is to click on this place that say my team, or click on this place now that say mine. Then you need to go and invite your team, invite your friends. Click on this place now to invite people, then copy out your referral link. As you can see, once they deposit, you're gonna get 15% of whatever they deposit. You see it? You see how good it looks? Once they deposit, you're gonna get 15% of whatever they deposit. So once your referrals deposit, you're gonna get 15% of what they are deposit. And this is not the where your referral bonus is end. because if you come over to this place now, you will see that if you invite 10 people that recharge minimum of 10 USDT, you're gonna get 10 USDT. If you invite 20 people that recharge 10 USDT, you're gonna get 20 USDT, and that goes for the 30 people. So it means that per referral you get 1 USDT. So if you can invite 50 people, 100 people, 60 people, and so much more, you're gonna get 1 USDT per refer. Once your referral reach 10 USDT, they're gonna pay you instant. As you can see, I referred 20 people, but my referrals are waiting for me to make my withdrawal. So now you guys can place your trade here. Now that World OTC is not even up to 2 weeks in the market, go and check on YouTube, it's not even up to 2 weeks in the market. So take the advantage of this World OTC now and earn so much more. As you can see in my trade, I've earned 9 years, it's close to 10 years, because I'm not even active on the platform. But right now I'm gonna earn so much more. I'm gonna make sure that this my 50 USDT turn to $100 next time. I might be making this video, but it's not guaranteed. It depends on how the days goes for me. So this is the last way of earning. And remember to always take caution and put your own risk, and invest whatever you can afford to lose on your online. Speaking is not a financial advisor, I normally says that. So remember that once you place a trade, you cannot withdraw it again until next 3 hours. Then they will release your money and your gain for you. So as for now, I think this is the end of this video right now, and this is how World OTC looks like. So for those of you that will sign up new on World OTC, the things you need to do, you need to verify your account. Click on this place now to okay, let me click on this place now. Let me click on it. Identity verification. Remember to use your NIN slip or your national ID card or your voter's card, anything that you can use to verify that you are the real owner of the account, just like COTP. Verify it. Verification takes within some minutes and it's done. So even if you don't have, you can use your parents' own and send something like that. All you need is just an ID card to show that this is a real human being, not a robot, not the robot that is using the app. So they want to make sure that it's a real human being. And also I think they have an application here also. No, okay, they don't have application here. So if you want to know more about it, you can go over to their customer service and know more. Okay, they have an Android app here. You can read their rules and every other thing. So as for now, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for staying with me at the end of my video. Remember to like this video if you got value from it. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. Why I thought say you should turn on the notification, so that you will get notified whenever I post any updates. So see you guys on my next video. Bye.